same idiot who just waved his plane at me is now coming back over my house. And the helicopter went by and this guy was way out down there, like hundreds of yards away from the helicopter. And the helicopter started waving his tail afterward. It's like I ordered it. I kind of did, but I've ordered jumbo jets before too. And I've also ordered the white and blue painted military helicopter. Ordered the UN copters out here. I've ordered the red, white, and blue copter to come wave its tail. Ordered a lot of stuff. There goes the civilian. So long from Solero Air Base. Thank you for your time. Come back soon. We know you will.